So this person is going viral. Why, you may ask? Well, she this with Ackee and saltfish.
What in God's fucking name is that, Antonio? Oh, God. And it's not... I just gagged on the internet.
If you don't know, Ackee and saltfish is Jamaica's national dish. Now, nothing is wrong if you don't like Ackee and saltfish. I know a lot of Jamaicans who don't like Ackee and saltfish. You see, where the problem really lies is, how am I gonna put this? You see, if you say the food is disgusting, no problem with that. If you say the food make you walk gag, no problem with that. But you see, when you say that while not being a Jamaican, that's the problem, right? Now, many Jamaicans seeing that video went to social media to voice their opinions. Hey, girl, go suck you. Suck you. Lady, don't make me jump through the phone and tap in your neck. As someone who eats unseasoned food, can't say I blame you. To all Mama nose big, she look like she can smell it world. Hey, no girl when the man have to order food can chat to it. Go and your body but not boiled banana. That's wild. Imagine being so brave to come on the internet and disrespect Jamaican food. You will be missed. Why they always make Satan use them? Jesus.